Finish?
You increase the pain.
How did I increase the pain? Okay, tell me if it increases the pain. Okay. Anywhere it pains you, let me know. Because I am a bony person. Now, he has a problem in this leg. Now take this leg up. Do you have pain in this leg?
No.
My hands are free. My hands are free.
Yes.
Now is this leg coming up?
No.
Is it hurting you anywhere?
No.
I'm a bony person, it might hurt you a little bone.
And we.
So, you are the therapist, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You, other hand, what is it?
Now I will use the other hand. I've stabilized this leg. Finish. No posterior tilting at the pelvic. Finish. Right or no, guys?
Yeah.
If I take this leg up also, is this leg coming up?
No.
No. If this leg is not coming up, will the pelvic go for posterior tilt?
No.
No. So, fixed. I solved the pelvic problem.
Yes.
Now what is my problem? Next is the actual problem.
Definitely.
Right. So what I will do? Now, this is where some people lack it. Please try and understand. This is what I have learned from my experience. Never start stretching the hamstrings immediately like this. First, stretch the hamstrings like this. First, stretch the initial part of hamstrings. Its origin from? What is this point? Where do you sit, guys?
Good.
Yes.
Gluteus max.
You sit on gluteus maximus. Can you sit on a muscle or sit on a bone? You sit on a bone or you sit on a muscle?
Both.
Cheap question.
Do you sit on a bone or you sit on a muscle, guys?
No, both. Bone and muscle. And fat.
It's a covering.
Yeah.
Okay. So base, if only muscle is there, you will go inside. Some fixed structure should be there, right?
Yeah.
Right? So the fixed structure is your bone. Which bone you sit? Sitting bone.
Iliac.
Yeah.
Iliac.
Yeah.
Iliac.
Ilium.
Ilium.
Yes.
Something else?
We got same thing.
What are the three parts of hip bone?
Ilium,
Ilium.
ischium, and
And
top.
pubic.
Pubic.
No, pubic. Yes.
Pubic.
Yes.
Ilium.
And
Ischium. Ischial bone. You sit on where?
Ischial.
The sitting bone is called as
Ischium.
ischium bone. On that there is covering, on that there is fat, on that there is a muscle, on that there is a skin. So when you sit, try and feel the muscle. Try and feel the bone, not the muscle.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what happens is, that is the origin of hamstrings. That is the origin of three hamstrings. If you learn origin, that is the origin of three hamstrings. So as soon as I fix this leg, what I do is, I first initially try to stretch the originate. Okay? And then later what you do is, later I try to stretch the insertion leg. Now, my hands are free, the leg is extension,
Yes.
as inflection. Now, what I can do, I can use this hand, I can use one hand, I can go up. Can I go up?
Yes.
I'm going up. Now this leg is coming. This leg is moving, it's not getting fixed. Now what can I do? I can use this leg and I can use this hand. You understand my point? I'm using my whole body to get one muscle stretch because they are very strong muscles in the body. You understand?
Yes.
Some people did, if this is not strong, now his hamstring is tight. That's the reason this leg is coming up. His hamstring is tight. What is the normal flexion range, hip flexion range?
29.
With knee extension?
With knee extension.
With knee extension is 90. Am I able to go to 90?
No, they have
Near.
This is near to 90.
No.
This is not even 70.
Yeah, it's near tonight.
No, now he is not even 70. 90 is the normal. So what I go up. Oh yeah. Because I am going up, see this leg is coming up. So what I do?
Push it down.
So this is stretching. You will feel relaxed after some time. Now I am holding this knee extension and then I am going up. Clear, guys?
Well, the flexion is more